It's gonna be a 2v1 situation here. They're gonna try to pinch him in. They'll be swinging his right side. He has the right hand peek. He needs to capitalize on this. He's gonna swing out. Kills one. His right. Swings.
Like 17 shots, I both for a Marine. He gotta be
Kills the other. He clutches the 1v2.
I can't tour my street, but yellow stay with me. She torn for free. Pull a stone if you want, then I'm giving him. Pull a stone if you want, then I'm giving him. He can act like he tough, but it's not what it seems. Real star player, ball out for the team. Give a fuck if I miss, I'ma shoot till it's green. G19, bitch, I throw the beam. They control they want, I got multiple. They control they want, I got multiple scenes. Pop was the lobby, got beat in the ski. Like shit crazy, not hear my speed. Scoring like Tino, free JB on the court. I be ballin' just like I'm sleeves. Trooping the dolly, just me and my G. Feeling like Curry, I'm shooting a 3. I'ma slide with a blazer, gon' catch him a B on the hop. Water bro, I had niggas free. Glocks, 9, 40 XDs. I don't wanna go corny, gon' slide on a V. I'm a real right Mac, I put on for the team. Blunt down, be exact, don't get stung by the B. Missing 5 in the clip, but this shit hold 10 in this bitch. I heard the diss, I'ma come to your strip. I'ma pop out the cup, bitch, you better not trip. Don't trip, don't trip. If they don't slide to my block, all that shit just be capped. It was talking on shots, I ain't shit like that. Time to suit up, put on gloves, on black. Fell in love with the spark.